Hello guys, itong ulam namin today. Ayan, chicken curry guys. Ayan guys, ilalagay ko na itong golden curry, green and red. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan na yung golden curry guys. Green and red. Sarap nun guys. And guys, lagyan na natin ng water. Yan. Ayan guys, ilagay na natin tong carrots and potato. Ayan. Then, lagyan natin ng konting sugar. Ayan guys, malapit na tong maluto. Mga 5 minutes na lang, pwede na. Lagay na natin tong chili finger. At ang bell pepper guys. Yan. 2 minutes na lang. Luto na to guys. Ayan na siya guys. Luto na. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye. Chicken curry.